now we got much more data than we used to have some years ago. So you know much more about clients. And so it's really a challenge, but an opportunity to really provide a service that really fits your clients. To do a right financial planning, you need a lot of data in order to give a good proposal to your client. And now we are able to put all that information together and make a proposal that makes a lot of sense for them. So yeah, now with the robot advisory, that it's a precious time to really give a much better service to your clients. So it's as I said, it's a challenge, but it's also an opportunity. And we are helping many entities trying to have the information properly based so they can make the most of it. So I think it's a very good time to really improve your services and be much more client-centric. To be honest, some projects have failed because these legacy systems that they have were not able to provide the data we needed to produce the calculus we need to for the advisors. And so it's the first and the biggest challenge, I would say. You may have the beautiful interfaces, user experience, that if the data is not good enough, you have nothing. You have nothing, and that's something that as Dan said, the entity has to really understand where they are in order to be realistic on the goals of the projects. And as I said, at the beginning is the first thing you need to approach in a project. And typically, a big entity, a big bank, a tier 1 bank, they have different feeds of data. I can say, one project had 18 different feeds that we had to integrate and manage. That was a challenge. And that was their main problem. It's not about painting PDFs or doing really nice things and cool things on the web, but getting that data, understand that data, modify and have a quality process that really gives you you're secure that you're going to use that information the right way. So yeah, every project, whenever we start, that's the first point first thing we talk about. And then of course there are now new functionalities that provide new data, very interesting, that you can leverage on it, and you can have to really get in depth on that, and that can add more value to your proposition. The surest way to address the issue of data quality is with technology that can accommodate the standards protocols and APIs for connectivity and integration with the widest range of banks, custodians, and brokers. These solutions automatically collect and aggregate information, thereby eliminating the resulting errors from handling data. So once in the system, more advanced technology and reporting can complement other solutions to extract value. And again, I would like to name the robo-advisors. The popularity of robo-advising has continued to increase within the wealth management industry. The development of these services started in automated portfolio allocations, and firms are looking to expand the scope of the services to other areas, such as goal-based advice, business succession planning, insurance, and other automation-enabled activities. So I would say those two big trends they're based on data. And as I said, APIs is a great infrastructure to integrate data and control data and automatically aggregate information.